Oh yeah. Come on. It's too close to it. Yep. Oh, nice one. Yeah. Look at that big one right there. Ugh. No more keeps coming up. What are those? Is that sheep? Is that a sheep? Look like a pinfish, or not a pinfish, a hardtail. Yep. Oh yeah, yeah. He's. Yeah, he's right there next to that pylon. said was an Atlantic chub. Those big. Yeah, I ain't never hooked up on one yet. Bermuda chub. It feels like a big one. Big hardtail, yeah. Oh, don't let him go on the other side. Come back this way. Another. Ah.
Right between the damn
No, he did.
pylon.
That's exactly what he did.
I think that's
No, he. Oh man. Damn it. Mhm. Mine is broke. Yeah, got some nice sized ones. They're just not doing anything.
my brother and I just saw a big school right on the surface of the water. Of course, we were casting out the little gotcha we were trying to snag. Because right by where your wife is fishing down there, man, somebody had a
Oh no, sir.
over here already.
Huh?
Somebody had
I don't know what that is. I think it's a big.
over here. They look like sheep.
Yeah, I was looking at those. I thought they were big spade fish.
Oh well. Heard they caught some Spanish this morning. Any king for me?
Ooh, wow.
I saw
gotcha. I think 15. Yep. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, come here. Oh man. Excuse me. Oh yeah. No, no, come here. Oh yeah. Ooh, all right. You mind reeling him in for me while I hand line him up, sir? Yeah, sir. Oh man, yeah, he's. Oh no, other way, other way.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. It turns the opposite way of the
Yes, sir. Oh, it's a left hand.
That looks like a pretty nice fish.
Oh yes, sir. Oh, I appreciate it.
Gotcha lure, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah, he's big one. What's up, YouTube? Serve time from A-Bait Co-op, and I want to thank you for joining me here today. As I just wanted to show you guys the fish that I caught today. Over the past couple of days, I had a lot of fun fishing. The first day, not so much. Today, though, today was pretty good. I caught more fish here. I caught more fish than you see here. But a lot of the fish that I caught weren't ones that I keep, hardtail, stuff like that. A lot of remora. I had mackerel, a lot of mackerel this morning. They came in and they were hitting like crazy. And I had about 7 hits. One bit through a wire leader. Another one had a gentleman trying to help me. I was hand lining it up and I gave him my pole. He didn't know how to reel it in because it's a left hand retrieve. And when I got it up, I got it close to pull it over the dock. It wiggled, and one of the treble hooks hit my hand, so I let it go, thinking that he had reeled it in. It dropped all the way down, and all you just see was my line go twing and shoot up in the air. I was really irritated about that, but anyways, this is the results of the fish. We got 2 Bermuda chub. I forgot what they were called for a second. 2 mutton, mangrove snapper. Yes, they're both legal. And we got this mackerel. Man, the mackerel were crazy this morning. And the bite time, right about the time I left, they started hitting again, but I had other obligations. But anyways, I just want to show you guys the result of the fishing. Even though you don't see most of these caught on the video, I did catch them. So, anyways, thank you guys for joining me. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.